king of digging, king of digging,
and we checking out the king of digging.
Mulo presents King of Digging.
It was 7:45, we were all in line to meet the teacher, Miss Kathleen. First was Kevin, then came Lucy, third in line was me. All of us were ordinary compared to Cynthia Rose. She always stood in the back of the line, a smile beneath her nose. Her favorite number was 20, and every single day, if you asked her what she had for breakfast, this is what she'd say: starfish and coffee, maple syrup and jam, butterscotch clouds and a tangerine, and side on a ham. If you set your mind free, baby, maybe you understand. Starfish and coffee, maple syrup and jam. Cynthia wore the prettiest dress with different color socks. Sometimes I wonder if the mates were in her lunchbox. Me and Lucy opened it when Cynthia won the round. Lucy cried, almost died. You know what we found: starfish and coffee, maple syrup and jam, butterscotch clouds, tangerine, and a side on a ham. If you set your mind free, baby, maybe you'd understand. Starfish and coffee, maple syrup and jam. Oh, oh. Cynthia had a happy face, just like the one she draws.
Tell me all the things you forgot when I was your man. Hey, hey, when I was your man. If I was your best friend, would you let me take care of you and do all the things that only a best friend can? help me pick out your clothes before we go out. Not that you're helpless, but sometimes those are the things that being in love's about. If I was your one and only friend, would you run to me if somebody hurt you, even if that somebody was me? Sometimes I trip on how happy we could be. Please. If I was your girlfriend, if I was your girlfriend, would you let me wash your hair? Could I make you breakfast sometime? Well, then could we just hang out? I mean, could we go to a movie?
What's the matter with your life? Is it already bringing you down? Is the mailman dragging you around? Do you put your $1 million check in someone else's box? Tell me, what's the matter with your world? Was it born when you wanted a girl? Don't you know straight hair ain't got no curl? Life ain't real funky unless it's got that pop. Taking pop life, everybody needs a thrill. Pop life, we all got space to feel. Pop life, everybody can't be on top. Life ain't real funky unless it's got that pop. Taking tell me, what's it underneath your hair? Is everybody living there? Can you get over saying you just don't care? Show me what you're saying is cool and I'll show you what you're wearing. Pop life, everybody needs a thrill. Pop life, we all got a space to feel. Pop life, everybody can be on top. do, babe. I never see you anymore. I need your love, babe. Ooh, that's all I'm living for. Ooh, didn't wanna pressure you, baby. Sing it, y'all. Wanna be your, wanna be the only one that makes you cry. Wanna be your, wanna turn you on, wanna know, make you shine.
Chelsea and a few. Moses was a pharaoh in the 18th dynasty, and Rome was chilling in Carthage in 33 BCE. And the day that we stopped counting, we live as long as a tree. Go ahead, Chelsea, teach me. Go ahead, Chelsea. Make a promise to your higher self. Get you nothing, failing well. Don't be chasing nobody's ghost. Of everything, make the most. Come on. Chelsea Rogers was a model. She really rocked the roll. Kept her tears up in a bottle. Yes, she did. Calling out to save her soul. Chelsea Rogers was a model. Might as well. She really rocked the roll. Kept her tears up in a bottle. Might as well. Calling out to save her soul. Of everything, make the most. Come on. Chelsea Rogers was a model. She really rocked the roll. Kept her tears up in a bottle. Yes, she did. Calling out to save her soul. Chelsea Rogers was a model. Might as well. She really rocked the roll. Kept her tears up in a bottle. Don't you get me?
She wears a long fur coat of mink, even in the summertime. Everybody knows from the coy little wink, the girl's got a lot on her mind. She's got big thoughts, big dreams, and a big brown Mercedes sedan. What I think this girl, she really wants to be in love with a man. She wants to lead glamorous life, she don't need a man's touch. She wants to lead the glamorous life without love. It ain't my much. She saw him standing in the section marked "You have to ask, you can't afford a lingerie." She threw him bread and said it make me scream. In the dark, what could he say? Boys with small talk, small minds, really don't impress me in bed. She said I need a man's man, baby, diamonds and furs. Love would only conquer my head. She wants to leave the glamorous life. She don't need a man's touch. She wants to leave the glamorous life. Without love, it ain't much.
東京 FM ムロプレゼンツキングオブディギン。本日はムロさんのレコードでディギンプリンスというテーマで DJ をお届けしておりますが、
ありがとうございました。
はい、いやもう本当ムロくん、プリンス改めて僕は、いやもうほとんど知らない曲とかあって、やっぱ改めていいね。
いいですよね。
やっぱりブラックミュージックな感じのその温かさとか、なんか音の丸みとかやっぱりあるなと思って、本当アメリカの人たちがね本当大尊敬してる、そこはもう本当に、本当にわかりますね。で本日かけていただいた楽曲ちょっと掘り下げていくとやっぱり、ヒップホップマナーにのっとった感じがあって、1曲目のキスしかり、2曲目3曲目ともうナイスアンスムースだったりモブディープだったり、ダディ・ケンのネタだったりと、なんかやっぱりその現行ものをサンプリングする、ね、そのラップアーティストっていうのはなんかやっぱちょっと不思議な感じがするのよ。なんていうのかな、昔のそのレアグルーヴとかはサンプリングしたがるのに、
そうだよね、80年代、
あえてこういうものをこうサンプリングしていくっていうのはやっぱそれぐらいに愛されてたりとか、これが当たり前でこれをこう組んだらこう面白いでしょっていう、そのラッパーのアイデアだったりとか、なんかそういうのがあったりするのかなとかもちょっと改めて思ったっすけど、特にこの僕はちょっとこのやっぱデミトリのバージョンとか、あとチェルシーロジャーズ、
もうこれは僕いつもかけてますね、好きすぎて。
あ、そう。これやっぱないの？あんまりこれはない
っすね。
ないんだ。
あんまり
やっぱそうな、これ12インチでかけてたりとかしたけど、やっぱプロモだけだったりするのかな？
そう12インチはプロモだけだったりしてて、今日かけたのはまたエディットなんですよね。
ああ、なるほどね。でなかなか手に入んないんだけど、やっぱこのラジオならでは聞けたって感じが。
ねえ。紫色のレコードが多いですね、やっぱり。
そうですね。やっぱ彼のテーマカラーでもあったりするしね。そっかそっか。やっぱ、でも、本当改めてね、こんな時代だけど、ちょっとやっぱムロ君のこのミックスで、ちょっと踊りたくなりましたよ。
踊ってくれてたら嬉しいな。
電波の中にミラーボールが見えました。
嬉しいですね。
いや、まあ本当にね、ちょっとあれですけどね、まあこのままステイホーム、ステイチューン、東京 FM みたいな感じで、ちょっとね、僕らも元気に音楽を届けれたと届けられたらと思うんで。はい。ということで、じゃあここまではパーソナリティのマッカチンと
ムロでした。
皆さんまた来週ね。